is our earth. Don't let it die. Together we fight for a future so bright.
Now we will see how humans are destroying our Mother Earth.
Don't pay brokers for
Why worry about trees? I need to build my factory tall. Smoke and waste, who cares at all?
I throw my bottle bags everywhere. The river is so dirty, I really don't care.
The birds don't sing anymore. The fish are gone from the dirty shore.
My lungs are filled with smoke and fire. My river got poisoned. My forests were retired. Dear children, help me please before it's too late.
Scientists have warned us again and again. Climate is changing by its causing pain. Melting ice, rising seas, extreme weather too. We must act now, me and you. Now let's see how students takes up the responsibility to save our Mother Earth.
Stop! 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 We are the eco warriors of our school. We won't let you destroy our beautiful world.
Reduce, reuse, recycle. That's our call. Plant more trees, save them all. No more single use of plastic. Say goodbye. Clean our surrounding, reach for the sky.
Ha ha, what can kids do?
You can't stop progress.
Stop the pollution, stop it right now.
Right now,
Save the earth, take a vow.
save the earth, take a vow.
Reduce, reuse, recycle every day.
Reduce, reuse, recycle every day.
Plant a tree and make it stay.
Plant a tree and make it stay.
Clean the river, clean the air, show the world that you care. No more cutting, no more waste. Give Mother Earth a better taste.
We apologize for what we did.
Save our earth for a decade.
Your voice gives me hope and new life. Together we can end this strife. Here are the simple steps that we all can take. Use cloth bags instead of plastic. Plant more and more trees. Spread awareness in your family.
Hooray! I can do. I will tell my friends to do.
We all can. Let's make a promise together. And so on. This tree plantation ceremony. Remember, small actions by many can create big changes. Let's go green and stay green. Now, let's together take an oath. Go green, go green.
Go green, go green.
Forever we say,
Forever we say.
protect our planet every single day.
Every single day.
From school to home,
From school to home.
let's spread the word.
Let's spread the word.
Savor together,
Save us together.
let our voices be heard.
Let our voices be heard.
Dear children, I am here today.
Thank you.
charge. It is about taking care of those in your charge. With immense pleasure and great pride, I extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to our Honorable Chief Guest, Ishwar Ramhari Jarande, Advocate Deepak Srivastava sir, respected principal, teachers, and my beloved students. Today, we have gathered here to celebrate one of the most prestigious occasions of our school, the investiture ceremony. Our school conducts an investiture ceremony to appoint a student council representative who pledge to serve the school with courage, dedication, and commitment. It is a traditional feature of St. John's and eagerly waited of all the students. Now, it's time to welcome our active and energetic junior members of Primary School Parliament. Please welcome them with huge round of applause. SPL Atyagar, ASPL Rudraksh Rai, Education Minister Astik Sahu, Vice Education Minister Gargi Kukreja, Discipline Minister Shaurya Pandey, Vice Discipline Minister Stuti Srivastava, Cultural Minister Yashika Bhargav, Vice Cultural Minister Vanshika Chaudhary, Sports Minister Aryendra, Vice Sports Minister Garvit Badgaiya, Health and Environment Minister Arnav Singh Nagda, Vice Health and Environment Minister Arushi Soni, Transport Minister Vaidik Asati, Vice Transport Minister Naisha Madan, Human Rights Minister Myra Singh Patel, Vice Human Rights Minister Aditya Mishra, Spokesperson Kian Chaudhary. Now, I would like to call our house captains. Blue House Captain Athar Patel, Vice Blue House Captain Arushi Patel, Greenhouse Captain Kriti Wadhwani, Vice Greenhouse Captain Mishika Rai, Red House Captain Laksh Pandey, Vice Red House Captain Naisha Budhwani, Yellow House Captain Avika Dahiya, Vice Yellow House Captain Avni Srivastava. Now, I would like to invite our Honorable Chief Guest Ishwar Ramhari Jarande and Sister Principal kindly come up on the stage to felicitate our primary SPL and ASPL. To invite Shilpa Miss and Anurisha Miss to come up on the stage and honor to our Education and Vice Education Minister with badges. Thank you, sister. Thank you, Honorable Chief Guest. Thank you, teachers. Now I would like to call Aisha Miss to come up on the stage and honor to our cultural and vice cultural ministers with. Now I would like to call Namita Miss and Algauja Miss to come forward and honor teachers. Now I would like to to call Ranjit Miss and Wasim sir to come forward, and I would like to call Shashi Miss and Anju Miss to come forward and honor to our human. Now I would like to call Bishop sir. Kindly come. Thank you, sir. Now it's time to honor our house captain and vice house captain. For this, I would like to call Katie Miss and Siddharth sir to come forward and honor. Thank you, teachers. Next, I would like to call KKD sir and VT Miss to come. Now, I would like.
Vanshika Chaudhary, Vice Culture Minister of Primary, St. John Senior Secondary School. Harinder Kumar, Sports Minister of Primary, St. John Senior Secondary School. Garin Baragia, Vice Sports Minister of Primary, St. John Senior Secondary School. Alassana Health Minister of Primary, St. John Senior Secondary School. Harish Soni, Vice Health Minister of Primary, St. John Senior Secondary School. Vedika Zati, Transport Minister of Primary, St. John Senior Secondary School. Naisha Madan, Vice Transport Minister of Primary, St. John Senior Secondary School. Balaji Patel, Human Rights Minister of Primary, St. John Senior Secondary School. Aditya Mishra, Vice Human Rights Minister of Primary, St. John Senior Secondary School. Kiran Chaudhary, Spokesperson of Primary, St. John Senior Secondary School. Anas Patel, Youth Captain of Primary, St. John Senior Secondary School. Arush Patel, Vice Sports Captain of Primary, St. John Senior Secondary School. Kriti Balwani, Greenhouse Captain of Primary, St. John Senior Secondary School. Mishika Nair, Vice Greenhouse Captain of Primary, St. John Senior Secondary School. Yash Pandey, Red House Captain of Primary, St. John Senior Secondary School. Navya Pathani, Vice Red House Captain of Primary, St. John Senior Secondary School. Abhika Thalian, Yellow House Captain of Primary, St. John Senior Secondary School. Abhi Srivastava, Vice Yellow House Captain of Primary, St. John Senior Secondary School.
Take an oath to do all the responsibility which is entrusted to me. I promise faithfully to perform my duties upholding on all occasions the honor and dignity of my school, setting myself steadfastly against words or deeds. I acknowledge you to spread love, peace, and justice in the school and in the society. I would be ever ready to give counsel and help. Jai Hind.